Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Just thought I would do a video showing you the finalised version of the data model that I've been working on for goalkeepers. I've decided to upload it to YouTube as it's much better quality than what Twitter allows for videos, and it'll give you a bit more of a detailed look at how it looks overall. So as you can see on screen, the pitch is split up into 9 different zones. We've got zone 1 through to 8, and then we've got other zones around the outside. On screen, you can see the goals conceded and shots saved, and whether it was with the right foot, left foot, or was a header. Now, if we click goals conceded, it will take away the shots saved, and if we click shots saved, it will take away the goals conceded. We can break this down even further by clicking goals conceded, and then if we just want to see goals conceded with the right foot, we hit right foot, same for left foot, and same for headers. And this is the same for shots saved. So break it down into right foot, left foot, and headers. Now we can break this down slightly further. So if we hit goals conceded and we want to see the point in which these goals cross the line, we can do, just hit the goal up at the top and it will show us the point in which the ball crossed the line. If we just want to see the point in which the ball crossed the line for goals from zone 4, all we do, hit zone 4, and it will show us the location which the ball crossed the line for the 6 goals within that zone. The same for zone 3 and the same for zone 2. Now this is the same for shots saved. If we want to see the location in which the keeper made the save in relation to the posts, we can by clicking each individual zone or by clicking the overall goal at the top. And as you can see from on screen now, the majority saves that Alisson's making is in the top centre and bottom centre of the goal. Now each dot on the 2D screen or each dot in which the goal crossed the line actually links us to a clip. So on the overall screen, if we hit this clip here, it will take us through the goal. If we then hit goals conceded and we click this clip, it will show us the goal. If we hit zone 3 and we click the point in which it crossed the line, it will show us the goal. And the same for the overall data in the ball crossing the line. We can hit this one, it will show us the goal. So each dot that you see, whether it be on the 2D screen or the point in which it crossed the line or which it was saved in relation to the posts, it does link you to a clip. Now if we hit the overall data screen and we click the goal up at the top, it will show us the goals conceded and where they cross the line, and it will also show us the point in which the keeper made a save in relation to the posts. So the 2 bits of data I've just previously shown you, it just merges these together. Now within this screen, there's a view detailed data section up at the top left. If we click this, it breaks the goal down into 6 zones or 6 segments, and we can see the percentage of shots on target within that segment as well as the goalkeeper save percentage. So for example, the bottom right segment, the percentage of shots on target faced within this segment are 14.6%. So Liverpool are conceding 14.6% of their shots on target within this area of the goal, and Alisson's save percentage for that segment is 62.5%. Now, if we're interested in seeing even more data for the goals, click this little radar chart down the bottom, and we can see in the top chart, we've got shots on target per zone. So we can see the percentage of shots on target within each zone and Alisson's save percentage. So if we just click back one, if we see within zone 4, he's conceded quite a lot and he's made quite a lot of saves. Okay, so it's quite an equal amount for each. So then if we click back on the data, we can see that within zone 4, Liverpool are conceding 21.8% of their shots on target within this zone, and Alisson's save percentage is 50%. Now moving on to the body part, we can see the percentage of shots on target faced with each body part. So Liverpool have conceded 61.8% of their shots on target from right-footed attempts and 29.1% for left-footed and 9.1% for headers. We can then break this down into save percentages again. So Alisson's save percentage for right-footed attempts is 79.4%, left-footed 93.8%, and headed 40%. Overall, that gives him an 80% save percentage. The last chart in the data screen is the type of finish. So it's split down into 1 touch, 2 touch, dribbled, volley, half volley and headed. And we can see the percentage of shots on target and again the save percentage. So an example for this one, Liverpool have conceded 12.7% of their shots on target from half volleys and Alisson's save percentage is 71.4%. Overall, you can see the data model goes into some detail. You can specify what you want to be looking at or looking for by narrowing it down from goals conceded, shots saved, into right foot, left foot headed, or even the point in which it crossed the line, or where the keeper made a save in relation to the posts. There's then lots of different data charts to see the percentage of shots on target within each zone, with each type of finish, or with what body part, and we can break the save percentage down, again, within each zone, from which body part, or from which type of finish. Going forward, I will be open to making these data models for goalkeepers or goalkeeper coaches or even coaches working within clubs. If anyone's interested in having one of these made for their goalkeeper going forward, then please do get in touch via Twitter, or if you have any questions about the model or any feedback, then you can get in touch in the comments below, or you can get in touch again via Twitter. I will leave my Twitter handle in the description below and in a tab on screen.